Is this turned on? It is turned on. Amazing. The internet is now able to see and hear us. So welcome everyone. We're just going to get started. There was just a little bit of figuring things out AV-wise, which is always the case. So welcome to FOCI, FOCI, however you pronounce it. You're all welcome, FOCI. So we'll get started. And so FOCI is a workshop on free and open communications on the internet. I'm sure that many of the people here have a sense of what kinds of papers and what kinds of things we're looking for. Just as a reminder, we're looking for censorship, surveillance, content moderation systems, disinformation, press freedoms, and intellectual property. And we welcome vast variety and diversity of members of the community. That's what we're trying to do, to develop a community around this and diversify the kinds of things and kinds of papers that we're seeing. There's a code of conduct. Please, if you go to that URL, you'll be able to see the details. Please respect the privacy of others. If you're taking pictures, please make sure that you're getting consent from people. Whatever happens inside the discussions, especially when things are not being recorded or have been asked to not to be recorded, please participate, but do not verbatim report and things like that, especially publicly or anything like that. Or in other words, the Chatham House rules, right? Reach out to myself or Cecilia here for any concerns you might have along those lines, or if anything is an issue with this event today. So we have some statistics. So FOCI has been growing. This year has been especially, we see a large number of submissions. We had 4 times as many submissions in issue 2 as we did in issue 1. We want to actually learn from you why this is the case. So if you can find us at some point in the day or at PETS, just to kind of give us a sense of if you submitted, what was the driving force for you to maybe tell us if you submitted to issue 2 because it was like an in-person event or whatever, whatever the reason might be. We just want to know. We want to know why we had such a large number of submissions for issue 2. In terms of, so we accept abstracts, short papers, and long papers. And in general, what we saw was like a generally kind of a similar kind of accept rate for these different kinds of papers. We have some statistics for you. We broke them down. So the winter is like issue 1, which was the online event. And summer is this event right now. And this is the total column is like FOCI for 2024. And in general, we were like looking at something like a 55% accept rate, which is a lot lower than what we usually have. But in any case, yeah, this is just stats for interest's sake. I'll pass over to Cecilia now to complete the welcome address.